Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know that transferring assets like XRP can sometimes feel tricky. But don't worry, today, we're breaking down how to seamlessly transfer XRP from Coinbase to Robinhood in 2025. This guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike, ensuring you do it safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Robinhood. You'll need to verify your identity if you haven't already, as security is key in crypto. Once that's sorted, log into your Coinbase account. Head over to your dashboard and find the XRP wallet. It's usually under your assets list. Next, initiate the transfer. Click on the Send or Withdraw option for XRP. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch to your Robinhood app or website. Go to your crypto section, select XRP, and look for the deposit option. Robinhood will provide you with a unique wallet address. Copy that carefully to avoid any mistakes. Back on Coinbase, paste the Robinhood wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check everything: the amount of XRP you're sending, the address, and any network fees. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees might vary based on blockchain congestion, so keep an eye on that to minimize costs. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation code or email. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your Robinhood account to see your XRP reflected. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets from potential hacks. And there you have it. Your XRP is now on Robinhood, ready for trading or holding. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.